This is the SC Project S1 exhaust made in titanium specifically for the Ducati Panigale V4 and V4S models from 2018 up to 2021. The pipe can also be installed in 2021 and newer models, but modifications are required for proper installation. You can find this exhaust at accessoryinternational.com. This is the SC Project S1 slip-on exhaust made in titanium with the carbon end cap for the Ducati Panigale V4, V4S models, and the Speciale from 2018 to 2021. This S1 SC Project exhaust is made in Italy, and the S1 model is known for its loud and aggressive sound, being one of the loudest in the SC Project lineup, just under the CRT exhaust. This exhaust includes all bike-specific mounting hardware as well as a Ducati link pipe for an easy bolt-on installation. Make sure to order your exhaust from accessoryinternational.com. My name is Alex at Accessories International, and I'd like to thank you for tuning into our video today. We're a family-owned business that was established in 1998 out of Miami, Florida. If you have any questions on the product review that you've just seen, feel free to give us a call at 786-242-5400. Thanks again for tuning in.